Yeah. So step 7, marketing list of free sites for your free promotions, and I'm going to give you all the sites. Like I said, this is just an introductory session. I won't be giving those sites right now as of now, but I'm going to give you some free sites. I'm going to give you some groups जहाँ पे authors होंगे, बाकी जहाँ पे तुम लोग अपने discussion कर सकते हो, बाकी authors से बात कर सकते हो, publishers से बात कर सकते हो कि hey, I have written this book, just give it a read. It's for free. I'm not going to charge you anything. ठीक है? Go on Twitter पे I'm going to recommend you a lot of influencers out there, Instagram shoutouts, जिनको हम लोग follow करा, और we sold our books for free initially, and then we saw some even you can do the same strategy with the paid ones. ठीक है? You can do shoutouts on specific, not just hashtags. I'm not talking about hashtags, just so you guys know. Okay, you guys can go ahead and hashtags as much as you want, but I doubt that you would see lot of sales rolling in, except for kabhi koi mahine mein ek do big. That's my opinion. Okay, with shoutouts, if there's a huge influence base, let's suppose someone has an interest in gardening and has huge matlab knowledge in gardening, सही है, but you do not know कि अच्छी ebook cover कैसे बनेगा, अच्छा title कैसे बनेगा, अच्छा subtitle कैसे बनेगा, and outsource that. Now you're just left with one thing, which is marketing. Now for marketing, either you can hire someone, either you can get in touch with me. I would recommend you guys, I would obviously recommend you how to go about doing shout outs or specifically kya apnani hai. And if you're a gardener and you have extensive knowledge in gardening, go ahead, find influencers in that specific niche, unko reach out karo, unse bolo mujhe shout out do for 24 hours. So you have to do this extensively. So then again, free, when I talk about free, give people what they want first and then make it a need for them. So marketing is number one. Marketing is the most important aspect, one of the most important aspects, in fact. And there are millions of writers and hundreds and millions of books out there, but they do not sell. ठीक है? और ये मैंने तुमको शुरू में भी बता दिया था इस चीज के बारे में. If you're not good with it, partner with someone who's good with it. Look to your right and left. Obviously, there's no one right on your right and left in this session, but I hope you get the gist of it. Okay, you have tons of people in each community, you have other communities. Go out and look for someone. If you get that one person, just one person who is like really good with one skill. Let's suppose if you're a good marketer, find someone who's good with writing. If you're a good writer, find someone who can market your skill. Partner up with that one person. Okay? If you think that you, एक और strategy बता रहा, if you think that you if you know topics, if you know the keywords, that उस niche में तुम लोग लिखवा सकते हो, market करवा सकते हो, and you don't have the money, but that's highly unlikely because I think most of the students over here have what it takes to invest. That's what I think. Then if you do not have the money, then go out and look for an investor, tell them the whole strategy कि क्या कर रहे होगे, ठीक है, and then have a team hired under you. Have a team hired under you, जिसमें writer हो, जिसमें सारा काम Fiverr या Upwork के through करवा रहे हो, get things ranked, do your research, get your homework done, then go out. Write more. This is a huge, ये भी एक study में तुम लोग को बता रहा हूँ. तुम लोग का काम ये होगा कि तुम लोग को at least 3 books साथ जाना है. So I'll tell you something. I went on with 5 books. मैं अपनी बात बता रहा हूँ. And it was a lot of hassle to get it done. Not because we were lingering over too much कि यार inaccuracies are faults. It was just too much to get things done. Plus 5 different books, 5 different ideas in the same niche was, मतलब for those who are writers over here, I'm sure तुमको ये बात पता होगी, writer's block एक term होती है, writer's block. ठीक है? वो I wasn't going through writer's block, obviously. It was first a block for topics के मतलब यार 5 बुक्स हो गई हैं, अब क्या कंटेंट लिखवाएं, अब क्या कंटेंट हो सकता है इसके ऊपर, तो ये चीज काफी मसला था. लेकिन if you get your books done gradually, ठीक है, slowly and gradually, तो there are a lot of people around me who say कि मेरे पास बुक है एंड यार मेरे पास तो सिर्फ उसकी 3 सेल आती हैं, कोई 3-4 महीने में 3 सेल आ जाती हैं, 5 सेल आ जाती हैं, 6 सेल्स आ जाती हैं, तुम कैसे इससे कमा रहे हो? So a lot of people back then had to say this. The thing is कि you have a lot of books plus you have the right marketing strategy with you, then I have case study. Like there was a woman, there's a woman actually who has 128 Kindle books. She's my client actually. So yeah, Fiverr ki client. None of them sells exceptionally good, but she's earning well over 6 figures. Right? So think about this. तुम लोग, मैंने तुमको ये बात एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग में भी समझाई थी और ये मैं तुम्हें यहाँ पे भी समझा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, एग्जैक्टली, दैट्स इन डॉलर्स. मैं तुम लोग को यही बात समझाना चाह रहा हूँ कि what matters at this point is that you should have a short-term plan and you should have an extended plan. Giving up is your headache, but it is, I would say it is sort of inevitable कि जब आप struggle करके कहीं कुछ हद तक कहीं पहुंचते हो, I'm